Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel How to Guide. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to turn on security notifications on WhatsApp. Now let's begin. Do note that I have already installed the WhatsApp application in my mobile device and it's updated to the latest version. Now let's look at how to turn on security notification. Right here, you can send message to your friends, invite your friend as well from right here. But right now we simply want to turn on security notification. Right here at the top right, there are these three icons, namely this camera icon, search button and this more button. Simply click on the third option, that is these three dots. Now something like this will open up. Simply go to settings. Once you're in the settings page, well, there are lots of options here, namely accounts, privacy and such. But what we want to do right now is simply go to accounts. Right here, there is something called as security notifications. Just click on it. Now this will open up right here. As you can see, I have already enabled security notifications on this device. In case you have not enabled it, just click on this button right here and then security notifications will be enabled for this mobile device. Well guys, that's it. That's how we turn on security notifications on WhatsApp. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Thank you.